Good morning friends. Today's date 20 August 2020, Thursday. Subject around us. Government textbook. Our main course book. Topic public property. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the subject around us, which is based on the common syllabus of the both books related to government book and Viva reference book too, because both books chapters are same. So now I am going to explain one by one public property. What is the meaning of public property? Public property means all the places, all the things which are made by only for public. These all places are known as public property. There are many things in our village's street. They are our facilities. These are such facilities which are not owned by any individual but are used by everyone. Such properties are called public properties. Given below are the pictures of such public properties which may also be found in your village. Friends, do look in your book page number 4. Page number 4. These all public properties. Look at the picture. Mosque, school. In this picture, these all are the public properties. Police station, bank, post office, Nagarpalika Bhavan, hospital, garden, temple, another many things are also our public properties. In a sequence, now I explain one by one which kind of public properties are made for us. We are also a public. There are around our houses is our neighborhood. The people living near our house are neighbors. Everybody needs a good neighborhood. With neighborhood, we use these all kind of public properties. Service in a neighborhood. Which kind of service are included in a neighborhood? A good neighborhood has many useful services. These services help to make our lives easy and comfortable. Even garden, one by one I explain these all public properties. School, post office, hospital, police station, fire station, market, library, bank, park, zoo. These all kind of public properties we use, and I explain it one by one. Bus station also is our public property. First of all, school. School is our public property. Children go to school to learn, to read and write in the school. They are also learn good habits and manner in them. In school, children should learn their good habits and good manners. So, school is also our public property. Thereafter, post office. Post office is also our public property. A post office helps us to stay in touch with our relatives and friends. It sells postcards, envelopes and stamps. Post office sells postcard, envelopes and another also things and stamps also. We can send letter, postcards, money orders and parcels through a post office. We can send through post office parcels, money orders also. Then after our public properties, hospital also. Hospital also is our public properties. A hospital takes care of people who are sick or injured. Hospital takes care of the person who are injured or who are sick. Doctors and nurses look after the patient in the hospital. Who takes care of the patients? Doctor and nurses takes care of the patient, and ambulance to bring sick and injured people and give them immediate care. They use ambulance to bring sick person immediately in the hospital, and the nurses also take care of the patient, and doctor takes care of the cure to the patient. Now police station. Our next public property is police station. In police station, which person we can find there? The police and thieves. Police and thieves. A big neighborhood has a police station. The police help us when we are in trouble. When we are in trouble, who help us? Police. Who help us when we are in trouble? Police. They guard our neighborhood and keep our lives and belongings safe. Police guard our personal, we guard our also, and they also take care of our personal belongings. Then after, fire station. Fire station is also our public property. When there is a fire, we call the fire brigade. When there is a fire, which person immediately came at that time? Fire brigade person. A fire engine carries fighters, water, house pipe and ladders to put out fires. Fireman, the person who works in the fire station is known as firefighters. Market. A market has many shops. A market has different kind of shops. If we want to purchase anything, goods, vegetables, any kind of our things, if we want to buy, we have to go to market. At that time, we have to go to market. A market has many shops. Different shops, fruits, vegetable shops, books, clothes and many other things sells in the market, and other things of daily needs. All these kind of things we can purchase to the market. Then after, library. Library is also our public place. A library has books for people to read. In the library, there are lots of books in the library. We can read different kind of books. A library has books for people to read or borrow. A librarian is a person who works in a library. A library is a person who works in a library. The person who works in a library is known as librarian. Then after, bank. This is the most important our public place. This is the most important our public place. In the bank, we can borrow the money and we can save our money. Even bank save our money and also borrow our money. We keep our money safe in the bank, and other valuable things also. Bank take care of our valuable things also, like gold. A bank also lends money to people. Then after, park. Then after, bus station. Then after, our next topic is bus station. Bus station is also our public place. If we want to go to one place to another place, now we use easily the bus. It is the road transport. Bus is the road transport, and we can easily get bus from the bus station. Bus station is also our public place. Then after, park. Our next topic is park. In the park, we can see so many children, very cheerful. They like to play in the park. Park is a place where people go to walk. In the morning, lots of people may go to walk in the park, play and relax. Children have fun on swings, slides and seesaw. In the park, we can see different kind of seesaw, slides, swings, etc. Then after, our next public place is the zoo. Zoo is also our public place. In the zoo, we can see different kind of animals. In the zoo, we can see different kind of animals. A zoo is a place where many kind of wild animals and cared for and kept for people to see. A person who looks after the animals in a zoo is called a zookeeper. A person who looked after the zoo animals is known as the zookeeper. Now friends, these all kind of places are our public places, and our first duty is to take care of these all kind of public places. School is also our public place, police station, bank, garden, post office, Nagarpalika, hospital, temple. These all are our public places, and if we are the citizen of our country, India, we have to care of these all kind of public places, because these all kind of places are our own property, so we should have to take care of this all public property. Park, first word, park. Now in the park, who take care of the park? The person who takes care of the park is known as the gardener. Then zoo, who takes care of the zoo? In the zoo, there are different kind of wild animals, birds. Our domestic animals are also sometimes we can see in the zoo. So who takes care of the zoo? The person who takes care of the zoo is known as the zookeeper. Then bus station. Which person we can see in the bus station? In the bus, we can see driver and conductor. The person who drives the bus is known as driver, and the person who gave the tickets to the people is known as the conductor. Then after school, school is also our public places. In the school there is a teacher and students. Teacher and students are in the school. Then after post office, the person who works in the post office is known as the postman, who delivers the post, who delivers the letters and give to us is known as the postman. Then hospital. Hospital is also our public place, and the person who cares in the hospital, who cares the patient is known as the doctor and nurse. Doctor cures the ill patients and nurse also takes care of the ill person. Police station. Police station, person who works in a police station is known as the police, and in the police station we can see policeman and thief. Fire station. The person who works in a fire station is known as the fireman. Market. In the market, there are different kind of shops, and the person who are in the shop is known as the shopkeeper. Then after library. In the library, we can read different kind of books, and the person who takes care of the library is known as the librarian. Then after bank, the person who works in a bank, main person, is known as the manager. Bank also save our money. Now friends, these all kind of places are our public places, and including temple, mosque, these all kind of worship places are also our public places and we have to take care also of them. Now you can, students, you can understand all these kind of public places, and if we are the good citizen of our country, so we should have to take this care of these all kind of public places. Thank you.